Hey everyone, so I'm here from Icydragons.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the antlers or horns to the Skully. This is the Wendigo Skully version 3, but in future iterations there might be very similar designs, so this can still apply. You will see two guides here for the screws, and we're going to be using self-tapping screws, 1 inch. You can use deck screws or anything like that, and that will still work. You should have a matching set. In this case, these horns, the small ones, will be facing forward, so this one's the other side. This is the proper side. Notice that it's kind of flush right here, so that is what you want. So what you want to do is screw in towards the horn. It doesn't have to be at that angle, it's going to be towards that angle, like this, like so. What I like to do first is just kind of prep this. Just so that these little bits come out. And it's easier. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to grab the antler, place it, and nudge it just a bit where it should be, right there. And you press forward. Okay? And then that should hold for now. We're gonna clean the bits off in a bit. Okay, and so now that it's keyed, what you want to do is if you hear any rattling, that means little plastic bits went inside. You can hold it like this and then put a lighter on it, so for like a few seconds, and that'll melt what's inside, and it'll melt to the plastic. Once it's fused, it shouldn't rattle anymore. Okay, so the other thing you want to do is for the head straps, I may have explained it in another video, but I'm just recapping it here for now. A 1/2 inch screw works great. If it's tapped, it's even better. I found out that these are way better for drilling holes very easily, but it doesn't have to be. In case where you're using a powered drill, it shouldn't be a problem if you have one of these, a regular screw. Still about the same time, just a bit more pressure. And there you go. This is with the antlers on in place. They should be pretty sturdy, very little give. See 2 there on each side. And And if you want to make it even stronger for a permanent fuse, you can do contact glue. But if you're traveling, unless you can get like a big case for it, I'd advise just to keep it with the screw method. I may suggest you can use fillers on the entrances of the horns if you want to make it a little bit stronger. For the moose option, you will need longer deck screws is what I recommend, because the antlers are much bigger and they're heavier, so they might, like, over time just wedge a tiny bit more than the regular ones. So you definitely want longer screws for those. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the Skully, and happy holidays.